chili sauce tofu, hot sesame oil, and Maggi seasoning tofu. Our list of ingredients for both dishes. Okay, today we're going to do two dishes because they're both real quick to do. One's going to be a warmed up dish or hot dish. One's going to be a cold dish. Both tofu. It might seem a little odd for this first one, and I have to agree with you. We're going to go through it anyways and give it a shot. We're going to take our chilies, just canned chili sauce. I got one with no beans. And we're going to take our firm tofu to have on the front here. We're going to add it up. I cut it up pretty small. I'll try to show you here as soon as I dump some of it in. So see, instead of cutting it up, slicing it lengthwise in half, I did it in threes. And then I made pretty small cubes of it. And we're just going to toss all that in there. And then we're just going to mix this up. We're really just going to heat this up, is all we're going to be doing. And as soon as I get it a little bit more mixed here, I just want to get everything covered. I'm going to spread that out a little bit. Then we are going to start a cold dish. We got a medium firm tofu. I'm just going to dump right into the dish. Our serving bowl. We're going to take a little bit of Maggi seasoning. Put it in there. And we're going with the hot sesame oil this time to give it a little bit of kick. We're just going to mix this up. We just want everything to be evenly coated. And I may need to add more, just not really absorbing it much. Not getting much of a coating here with it. I have to sample a piece here in a second. Probably got the wrong spoon for this. It's a little bit hard to mix up here. Okay, I'm going to jump back over here, get this stirred up. I want it to firm. Probably could have been extra firm. I want it to be, one of the pieces to stay together. Firm's all right. Just be a little bit more gentle with it than you would in the extra firm. I just see some of it's already starting to break down. This here actually isn't bad the way it is. I might try one more small piece here. Just get a better idea. You know, hot sesame seed oil is fine. We are going to get a little bit more of the Maggi's seasoning. Can't really pull the taste out of it. And since it's tofu, a lot of it's going to absorb it. We may actually have some in here that's going to be real tasty, I guess you can say. And some won't be as much. But there's our cold dish. It's done. A hot dish. It looks like it's about done. Again, all we had to do is really warm everything up. A cold dish, we just mixed right in the bowl we're going to serve it in. Hot dish, we're going to transfer it here in a second. And I have my dish here. me take this out for a minute. Let's get that heat turned off. One more mix. I just want to make sure nothing's sticking to the bottom. Not much you can do about the sides. Okay. Let's go ahead and transfer this over. And there you have it. 2 dishes, same time. One hot, one cold. Go ahead and give it a try. Let me know what you think. Good or bad, it don't matter to me. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.